Good afternoon. I'm Sophie.
I'm Eileen.
I'm Jamie.
I'm Emma.
I'm Eris.
And I'm Malia.
And we're representing Baldwin High School, where, in like many high schools, students are losing motivation. How can they not? Many of them have to choose their classes' pathways before they even enter high school and know what the classes are all about. Not only that, but many of them are stuck in classes that are completely unrelated to their desired career paths, all because their high schools don't offer what they need. But what if there was a better option to explore your future?
And this is why we created KEEP, Kuleana, Empowerment, Exploration, and Possibilities. KEEP provides hands-on experiences through monthly career kits. KEEP also provides courses that help you gain real-world skills.
No matter what you're interested in, we will help you explore those opportunities before you graduate. Maybe you're a high schooler just starting out and have no idea what classes you want to take. Or maybe you're already in a class that does not match to your future. If so, KEEP is for you.
Our monthly kits make career exploration easy. Instead of spending hours searching for supplies or paying hundreds for a single experience, we send you everything you need in one kit so you can learn by doing. Your first kit is provided free, and with the revenue from subscriptions, ads, partnerships, and grants, the money needed to sustain the curriculum and kit resources will be provided at a fraction of the original cost.
And for students that are taking classes that they don't need, KEEP offers asynchronous AP college-level courses that they can take in addition to their current classes.
Education should be about opportunity, whether it's exploring careers, earning credits, or finding what excites you. KEEP helps you take control of your future, one step at a time.
Keep education inspiring.
Thank you.